Hello, this is endocrine case study for group 1. Our endocrine disorder was gigantism. The hormone affected by gigantism is growth hormone. Growth hormone is released hormonally by the anterior pituitary gland during childhood. As we can see, this right here is the anterior pituitary gland, and this one is the posterior. Gigantism is a hypersecretion of growth hormone from the anterior pituitary gland during childhood. This means that the hypothalamus releases the GHRH, which signals to the anterior pituitary gland to release too much growth hormone to the target cells in the body, which include muscles, bones, and fat cells. The risk group associated with gigantism is children. The symptoms related to gigantism include extremely large hands and feet, as seen by these photos right here. It can also include prominent forehead and jawline, which you can see in these people. However, these are older people. Persistent headaches, double vision, and as in our case study, our child had peripheral vision was reduced. The symptoms are related to the function of the growth hormone because the body can't keep up with the amounts of growth hormone that are being released, causing the mentioned signs and symptoms. And it can also cause a delay in puberty as well.